Yan. So, nasa Costco tayo today, guys. Punta muna tayo. Magpapagas muna si Ma'am Raquel ninyo. Ay, si Miss Raquel. And then, after that, we're gonna go ahead na sa Pismo Beach. Yan. Kasi tingnan nyo naman ang kanyang fuel. Nagwa-warning na, B. So, nandito kami sa, sa Santa Maria. Santa Maria Town ba ito? Tawag sa ganyan. And then, we're going to Costco.
Gosh, is that a gas line? Why? Come on.
Yeah. Why Costco? Kasi it's cheaper. Per gallon siya ng 1 cents.
No, it's cheaper, like 50 cents.
Like
but
50 cents.
it doesn't mean it's Costco. Costco only carry good quality.
Yeah, don't say na Costco gas is cheaper. I know, it's not good quality. Oh my God, look at that! Ay, ang ganda! Oh God!
Oh yeah, see, Monster Truck. See, look at that. Monster Truck, November 29. It's an event. Like,
may event pala ang Monster Truck. Ayan, sayang. Ayan, si Miss Raquel, nagpapagas si Kibi. Magkano ang full tank ng kotse mo, Raquel? Hindi niya ako narinig. Magkano ang full tank ng kotse mo?
Ay, depends. It could be almost $100.
Wow.
But you know, it's not. So the gas in here must be really expensive because right now it's $5. Usually even sa bahay, it's only like $4.27.
So, ibig sabihin, mas malang gas dito?
Yeah.
Ayun. Papagas muna kami and after ng gas namin, punta na kami ng Pismo Beach. And then after that, yung field supply. Yeah, so nakabili na kami ng ticket kanina. It's actually 71 and 23 cents. Sabi mo na $72 per one person. The fields of light starts at 4:30 hanggang 8:30.
I think it's 4:30 until.
Oh, puno na.
Hold on.
84 lang. Oh, puno na. 84. Yeah, so I think the fields of light are open from 4:30 to 8:30. Yeah, so at right now, 4:30 is okay kasi medyo padilim na rin nun. Maganda naman kasi talagang pumunta sa mga ganong event kapag medyo madilim na kasi para ma-appreciate mo yung mga lightning ng mga bulaklak nila doon. So it's our first time watching or attending dun sa mga ganyang event, yung fields of light. So hopefully it's worth it kasi $72, wow, that's a lot of money, but you know, it's once in a lifetime, so at least we can say we've been there. Yan. Hindi na pala kami natuloy kanina sa anong tawag nila doon sa kay Michael Jackson, yung bahay niya. Kasi wala na talagang time dahil nga na-stop kami dun sa store kung saan ka makakabili ng mga kung saan ko nabili yung furniture, yung ko na TV.
Sanitizer, please. Anybody have alcohol?
Si Kuya Tikyo at saan din,
sanitizer, please.
at kung saan din niya nabili yung kanyang Christmas tree sa kanyang Christmas tree. So natagalan kami doon kaya hindi na kami pupunta doon sa bahay ni Michael
We
Jackson.
went shopping. That's why.
Yeah, we went shopping and then mahirap magpasyal pa na marami kang dala-dala. So hindi na kami pupunta doon. Kaya yun na lang, nag-change of na naman kami
We're running
destination.
out of time. Now we're gonna go to. Yeah, it's already 2 o'clock in
Oo.
here.
Ano kasi lugar ni Michael Jackson?
Never mind.
Neverland. Yun, Neverland. Hindi na kami natuloy sa Neverland. Change destination kami. Punta kami ng Neverland. Magkikita-kita na lang kami nila Luca. Saka sila Nana. Saka si Bart. At Mimi sa Pismo Beach. At doon na lang kami magla-lunch. And then after that, uwi na sila Luca. And then kami naman, dediretso naman kami sa Fields of Lights. Yan. So let's go! Ready na ang ating driver. Nakapagboba yan, kaya gising na gising. Ayan, si Kuya talagang nga, tulog na naman. Yan, malapit na tayo sa Pismo Beach. Actually, mag-i-exit na si ano. Hindi pa pala to. It is. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga bahay nila dito.
Then continue on Price Street.
The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have
Pismo Beach.
Okay, go tour. There's a lot of things to do there.
I know. Oh, just
Yeah,
give us a call once na ano, dumating na kayo.
Yeah. 3:17.
Okay.
We'll estimate arrival.
Okay
Find
then.
a spot
Okay.
that we
Okay,
can
bye.
see. We can find a spot.
In
She's
400
booking.
feet, turn
Ay,
right
there.
on Dollar
Aalis
Street.
yung nasa harapan. Oh, here too. Marami namang
Turn
spot.
right on Dollar
Let's go
Street.
see on the street.
Eto.
Ito 3 hours what? What did they say?
This is, well, it's Sunday.
Okay, we'll come home.
This. Yeah, so kadarating lang namin dito sa Pismo Beach. So we're just looking for the parking. Eto, this one is perfect kaya.
Yeah, but I'm gonna back up. Hold on.
Okay. Dude.
Ito babaeng to.
Ayan, nag-back up siya. So, nagpa-back up siya. Oh, look at that. Taco Tuesday, 250 each. Palang pumunta dito pag ano eh, Tuesday. Mura yung taco.
Mura, no? Tuesday. Taco asada.
Taco asada. Adi man dito tayo kumain noon, Raquel. Doon no. Diretso doon.
Question. So we can book the ticket online. So it says you're meant 4:30 to 8:30. So what is that? So oh, this is like a self tour. What is it?
Ah, tinatanong niya yung ticket. Huy! May hangin. May ano, may pagmamahal ng lamig. Lamig, B.
Pismo Beach. Tingnan natin yung mga seashore.
We're walking in the beach. Maraming restaurant din dito, guys. Yeah.
Hindi tayo kumain, no?
Sa Splash Cafe, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I wanna eat there again. Kasi masarap naman pagkain nila kasi ang mura
Clam
po.
chowder?
Oo.
Oh. Ayan.
Pero wala
Yeah.
na tayo dun, no?
Yeah. Yan tayo doon. May beach na may ano doon sign.
May beach? Ilan ang beach yan dun?
Maraming beach.
Maraming beach dun.
Yan. Tayo kumain.
Yeah, last time dito kami kumain sa Splash Cafe. It's a good restaurant. Lalo na yung clam chowder nila, masarap. Yeah, nung last time na nagpunta kami dito, nag-stop over lang kami para kumain. After that, umalis na kami, punta kami sa brewery. So this time, ayan. Ito rin kuya, oh! O, taco.
Yeah.
Seafood everyday. Si Raquel. Mga nagsiserve. Nandito na tayo sa beach side market. Sakay natin si Raquel. Oh, look at the car. Nice. Yeah.
You know, 4:30, so you can go because there's a bar, there's a walking, there's like restaurant in there. That's what they're saying, to walk, okay?
Okay.
And then she said, like, of course, if you're gonna come here at 6 o'clock, it's dark already. But because it's open between 4:30 to 8:30. So she told me if it is the first time, I would recommend to be here at 4:30 so you guys can see what's going on.
Okay. Whoa.
And then, Pismo Beach, let's go. Oh, let's go to the sign. Pismo!
Pismo Beach.
Actually, go in the middle.
So, here's the sign of Pismo Beach. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang picture-picture.
Where are we gonna eat?
Doon sa pinainan natin dati nila James. You don't like that?
It's okay, but I don't think we're gonna have time.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
How far is
I
the...
have to leave like at 3:30. According for us to be there at 4.
Okay.
They said the light will start at 4. Okay. So how...
Oh, look at that. Ang daming bibi, oh.
Once again, thank you to the
May mga
locals here
nagsisurfing.
in Pismo Beach. You guys have been awesome. You always are. We love the hospitality here. Special thanks to the crew over at the Vespera.
For a 427. And still
daming ano,
McNulty waiting to open things up. 5 minutes 55 seconds.
So,
Surfer
parang
in
meron
blue.
silang mga surf tournament right now. Kaya, may competition.
5 minutes to go.
Ayun, oh.
Over next
Ang
to
taas
here,
ng mga
quickly in
wave.
and out.
Next seat, stand by. Stay with us on the broadcast. Coming up next, semifinal number 2 for the boys, U18.
Ayan, so tapos na kami mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Pismo Beach. Wala naman masyadong pupuntahan dito. Actually, tinignan lang namin yung beach kasi hindi pa ako nakarating dito sa etong bridge na to ng Pismo Beach, saka yung sign. So, we are now looking for the restaurant where we can eat kasi nga we have to go pa dun sa Fields of Lights which will start at 4:30. Sabi nila, pag the first timer mo is better na pumunta ng on time kasi para ma-enjoy mo. Which is true kasi ang mahal ng ticket, so kailangan mo talagang i-enjoy mo na yung event nila doon. Marami rin daw sila mga restaurant doon, so let's see. So we have to leave early dito sa Pismo Beach. We're just gonna probably eat fast and then probably doon na lang magkaroon ng nice dinner. Yan.
Where are we going to eat?
Raquel, where are we going to eat?
I don't know. We're looking for a place. Not sure where we're gonna eat.
Kuya.
Because our time is running out.
Where are we gonna eat? Let's go. Just maybe grab some taco or something. Clam chowder.
Oh, let's right under the splash in the clam chowder. Wrong! Oo, si Luka.
Ooh, look at the food. We're gonna go eat here.
Carne asada.
La 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 la
Okay, let's
la
go say we're
bamba
7
la
people.
bamba. La la la. Hi! Hello! How was your ano?
We have to be by the thing, we're done no later than 5 o'clock.
Hello! Hello! They're very friendly over here. Say hello. Ordered tacos and also small clam chowder dito sa Woolly restaurant. And where should I get this? Ah, right there. Oh, thank you. There you go. Let's see. Hi.
Did you want any sauce?
Yes, please. Hot sauce?
Hot sauce, we have tapatio or Tabasco.
I get the Tabasco.
Wanna try this one?
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Your salsa.
The salsa.
There you go.
Thank you. Look at my food. Oh my goodness. This is right here at Woolies Pismo Beach. You guys have to check this place. So we're all gonna eat right here. We're just waiting the food. I'm just gonna wait for them. Yeah.
Can you get more straw, guys?
Okay, we will.
Oh,
I got it.
I'm surprised there's no lime on yours.
She wants to go ahead and get it. Where did you eat the lime?
No.
Tacos. Mmm. Spicy. Good. Good.
Spicy, good.
Thank you. Wow, look at their food.
Okay, come on, let's
Nachos.
eat.
And then of course, Luca. It's good, huh?
Oh my god. Tabasco.
Masarap.
Oh, yeah. Here's some lemon.
You like spicy, right?
Uh-huh.
There.
How come there's no
You will
sauce
love it.
for tacos?
So you put this is clam chowder. And then you put some Tabasco to make it
Do you
more
want chowder?
spicy.
Chowder, this is a lot. Everybody taste it. Come on.
Yeah, but
It's
there's
a
no
big-
cup. There's no cup. I want
Good.
some.
What did you get, Nana?
Shrimp and chips.
Shrimp and
Wait, me, I think that's mine.
oh.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, yeah.
And then this one is fish and chips.
I think that's Lucas.
Oh.
I should have just get kids.
Yeah.
$12. Mine is $18. Only 3 pieces.
Is this the kids? Are you sure I got the kids?
Yeah, yeah, kids.
You got the kids meal because you guys are kids.
No, no, get mine, get mine. Get mine. Get mine.
Oh, the charter stuff. Okay, look. Ingatan mo.
There.
You want charter sauce? You want charter?
Again on Thanksgiving.
Yes, Thursday, I'm baking your brownies, Nana. Oh, good. Love brownies. Hey, Mimi, I'll see you later, okay?
Bye, Luca.
Take lots of
Thank you
pictures.
so much. I will see. That's not my phone.
That's mine.
Luca.
Take lots
Thank
of
you.
pictures.
Thank you. We will. Well, watch my YouTube so you can watch it. Bye, Nana. Love you, Nana. See you on a Thanksgiving. Bye, bye, Mimi.
Enjoy the lights.
Of the lights, of the lights, of the lights. Bye, Nana.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye. You guys drive safe, okay?
Yeah, you too. Drive safely.
that she wants to go back with her.
Now at Pismo Beach. Tapos lang namin kumain.
Oh, busog, busog.
Busog kami. So, we are heading to, ano kasi yan? Historical. We're heading to the lights now. Lights? We will follow the lights. Yeah, so pupunta na kami doon kasi start nga siya 4:30. So we're actually running late na kasi it's already 4:05 here. Okay, let's go. Got it? Bye, Pismo Beach! Bye, bye!
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here. I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel.